Let's get started. So in this video, we will learn how to manage our dashboard. Let's open admin.microsoft.com and log in using global admin account. Sign in, approve it on the authenticator, type 40, yes. This should be your own authenticator while signing into your account. I'm using mine. And yes. So we are logged into our account, and the very first screen we have is our dashboard. And if you see, it's simplified view. So under simplified view, we can see from the left side, we have all the options available for administration. And on the right side, we have very simple view of tasks that we can perform it from here. So we have add a user, reset password, add a group, then greetings, few recommendation, and few tasks that we can manage it from here. So one is user, then subscription, upcoming changes, and learn. Under users, we can manage our users. So add a user, reset password. Under subscription, we can check and manage our subscription. Add more products, assign license, view payment method, view invoices. The license that we have, it's listed here. Then under upcoming changes, announcement from Microsoft, what changes they are going to make. So we'll see here. Then learn, few resources that we can try to learn. If we go back to the top, here we have 3 dot. We can switch it to dark mode. So now it's in dark mode. Let's go back in light mode. And on the right side, we see help and support, or you can provide feedback. And at the top, we have few more options that we can explore. One is related to account, then help, then this gear icon for settings, bell icon for notification, and if you want to install admin app on your phone, so you will get QR code here. You can scan it and you can download admin app from Play Store or App Store. Then let's close this. Then we have Azure CLI. So by any chance, if we want to perform any task using Bash or PowerShell, so you can directly perform it here on the cloud. So we do not need to use PowerShell on the local desktop. We can perform it from here. Let's close it. This was about simplified view. Then under simplified view, we have health. We can visit health section from here. We still have this add a user, reset password, add a group. Under service health and users, we have all application and its health. If there is any issue, we can find it here. Then we can go to view all in service health. So it will redirect us to our service health page. Under health, let's go back to home. Then Microsoft 365 app updates. So if there is any update, I will see here. As if now there is no data available, so nothing from Microsoft. Then recommended action. So under recommended actions, we see the recommendation from Microsoft. Whatever recommendation is for your organization, we can see it here. Let's go to the top, then go to dashboard view. So under dashboard, we have few more details, like it's in grid view. We have user management, billing, Microsoft 365 apps, training guide and resistance. And we can add more if you want. You can use go to guided setup, or you can click here, customize dashboard, and under dashboard view, you see dark mode and what's new. Under what's new, we'll see what are the new features from Microsoft for our admin center. So you can visit later. Let's go back. Under dashboard view, we can click on this three dot, customize dashboard. We can add all these options that we have here: service health, setup, message center, Microsoft Entra, Microsoft 365 active user report, domains, app updates, update compliance reporting, role-based access for admins. So as of now, I'm adding Entra, Microsoft Entra, then domain, and role-based access for admin. And let's close this. Let's refresh this. So we have user management, billing, apps. Let me close this one, remove, Entra, role-based access for admin, and domain. So these three options that we have added: domain, Entra, role-based access for admins. Now let's close this. Don't remind me again. So this should be our dashboard. Let me see if anything else is useful for this dashboard. As if now, I think no for now. So let's sign out and sign back in. Okay, we are under dashboard view. Recommended. We can close this, and all the options that we want we can set under dashboard view. This is useful when we have a certain admin role to a specific person. Like in big organization, we do not have global admin rights. We do not have all the admin rights to a single person. We can customize our dashboard as per our daily task. So suppose one is billing admin, so they can use billing admin. They have a few controls about users, so they can use user management. One is working on domain related and other tasks. One can be working for Entra. So they can use this customized dashboard while working. That's it for this video.